Hello people and welcome back to Code on DashCam channel that features only the latest and most epic road moments caught on driver's dashcam. So make sure to stick till the end for this episode, because this one is going to be really epic. Driver on the right side of the camera was definitely not in a turning lane, but that didn't prevent him from making a turn and cutting the camera off. While some drivers are kind and demonstrate good manners in traffic, others, well, they're far from it. In this situation, one driver stopped to let the camera through, but another vehicle blocked him off on purpose.
Are you kidding me? Let's go. Yeah.
Camera noticed another vehicle in his rear view mirror speeding, so he slowed down and tried to give the driver some space. And the rest, well, the rest you can see what happened. Biker came across a reckless driver who tried to pull out onto the road without looking at all first, and that's really reckless.
Au putut gura mătii să
Speeding can only get you in trouble. One driver was dangerously overtaking a group of vehicles, while another speeder hit a road median, causing a lot of sparks.
Bike racks and stuff from my Audi.
Yeah.
I just needed the crossbars to mount it. So yeah, 12 hours less than.
In this video, we see a driver in a pickup truck stealing some oil, and he got cut off by a semi-truck driver in the parking lot. So he was forced to find an alternative route, and it looked like this. have a lot of self-entitled drivers nowadays in traffic, and such is the case in this video, as one driver pulled out onto the road in front of a semi-trucker.
What the hell, you two losers? Are you trying to die? The absence of a southbound left turn lane does not entitle him to use the northbound left turn lane. Now there's this idiot who's in too much of a hurry and doesn't seem to know quite where he's going. There was no reason he couldn't just change lanes behind that guy. So there you go, guys. 4 idiots in under 2 minutes.
And with this clip, we conclude another amazing episode on DashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and picking up a thing or two based on how to properly behave in traffic. If you really like this type of content, don't hesitate to leave a like, because we would really appreciate it. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.